Hey guys, so I finally decided to try this shea butter and aloe hair moisturizer because as we know I love shea butter, I love aloe, so let's do this. So first I am adding half a cup of shea butter to a bowl. Now we all know the wonderful benefits of shea butter on our natural hair. It helps with moisture, it helps with shine, helps keep our hair soft and smooth and just keeps it healthy. So when I add the shea butter to a bowl, I am just going to use my mixer and mix it until it is nice and smooth. Now while mixing, I am scraping down the sides to ensure that everything is in the middle, just so that I know that everything is properly mixed in. Now to that shea butter, I am adding a quarter cup of aloe vera gel. Now this aloe vera gel, I blended it up into this nice foamy consistency so that it makes it so much easier to incorporate into the shea butter. But you can still see that sticky gel. Now as we know, aloe vera helps condition our hair, it helps with growth and also helps with smoothing and shining our hair. Now I am also adding in 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Now this is one of the oils I think that is highly underrated in our natural hair community. Almond oil contains vitamins A, B and E, which helps add shine to our hair, and it also contains omega fatty acids which help protect our hair from the UV rays of the sun. So yes, sweet almond oil holds wonderful benefits for our hair. So I just go in again with the mixer to ensure that it is well incorporated. Now once I start seeing that smooth texture, I take in some lavender oil and add 10 drops. Now lavender oil is antimicrobial, so it helps with this mix. It also promotes growth for our hair, and besides it smells good, so I love adding it to my DIYs. So I just use my mixer, mix it in and ensure that everything is well incorporated and well combined. Once you see that beautiful, creamy, almost sticky-like texture, I know that it's good to go. I don't want to go further in the beating because I don't want to overprocess the shea butter. So once you see it get to this point, it's good to go. I put my finger in just to ensure that it is nice and smooth, and as you can see, it rubs away and just disappears into my hand. So I just take one of my bowls that I use normally for my hair butter and I just pour it in. Now guys, this is the first time that I am making this Shea Aloe Moisturizing Hair Butter. In the next video, I will show you all how I use it so that you all can see how I go ahead getting my hair done using this hair butter. But let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried it and how has it worked for you and what difference have you seen in your hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!